Hi friends, I'm Jalak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to change to the light mode on your Arattai application on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to enable the amazing light mode on your Arattai chat application on 2024. So today I'm just going to show it's a simple thing. You just need to have the setting inside the app. So a step-by-step guide. Click on the three dot option after opening your application. Then click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you just need to click on the appearance. After clicking on the appearance, you have this option called night mode here on the top. So here you have a four option like enable always, schedule, or sync with the device setting. So you doesn't have a a separate option to enable the light mode. Instead of that, you can just use with the schedule mode or sync with device. So or you can just click on the disable option. If you just click on the disable option, the night mode always permanently turned off. So if your device is on the night mode or dark mode, doesn't matter. This is how we just enable the lighter mode on your Arattai chat application on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.